Craving chocolate right now? This mug cake is ready in just 1 minute. You only need a few simple ingredients from your kitchen. No oven, no stress. Cocoa powder gives this cake its deep chocolate flavor. Just a small amount makes it rich. Mix everything directly in one mug. Smooth batter means perfect texture. The batter should be thick and glossy. That's how you know it's ready. Place the mug in the microwave carefully. In seconds, it starts turning into cake. Watch it rise as it cooks. That's the magic happening fast. Fresh out of the microwave, soft and warm. Let it cool just a few seconds. Add chocolate drizzle for extra richness. It melts perfectly over the warm cake. The first bite is soft and fluffy. Warm chocolate in every spoonful. Inside, the cake stays moist and tender. That's what makes mug cake special. Top it with whipped cream. It balances the chocolate perfectly. More chocolate drizzle makes it even better. Simple upgrade, big flavor. This bite shows everything. Soft cake, cream, and chocolate together. Look closely at the texture. Small chocolate pockets make it rich. Every spoonful feels warm and comforting. Perfect for quick cravings. Simple recipe, amazing result. Anyone can make this. Cream adds a light finish. It makes the dessert feel complete. Now it looks like a cafe dessert. But it took just 1 minute. Serve it right in the mug. Cozy, easy, and satisfying. Chocolate drizzle makes it irresistible. Rich, glossy, and smooth. One more bite before it's gone. Still warm and delicious. The texture stays soft until the end. Quick cooking keeps it moist. That last bite hits the spot. Hard to believe it was this easy. Want more quick desserts like this? Subscribe and keep it simple.